boys and girls. I am Miss Moran and welcome back to your math lesson. So this week we are continuing with doing subtraction word problems. Remember, when we're subtracting, we're taking away. We're not counting all together, we're taking away. We have something and then we're taking out a few of them. An example of a word problem is the one that we have down here with the cookies. So this is a good example. You have 3 cookies and then you eat 2. So you eat 1 and then you eat 2. How many cookies do you have left? You have 1 left. So remember, with subtraction, you're taking away. You're not adding it all together, you're taking away. You're taking away either some of it or all of it. You just need to listen and pay attention so that you can figure out what it is that we're doing, okay? So we have a few word problems we're gonna work together and then we'll talk about your homework. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so for today's activities, we're gonna be doing 2 subtraction word problems. Remember, when we're subtracting, we are taking away. Okay, so we have an amount of things and we're taking away stuff. And for this problem, remember, I already put how many you started with. Okay, so let's start reading this word problem. It says, I have 4 balls. So here they are, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have 4 balls. Then my mom takes away 2. How many balls do I have left? So we're going to take away 2. You can grab the X. And I know yesterday I noticed that sometimes they go to the back. So you can just put it like on the top. So that way you can see it. So she took away 2, 1 and 2. She took those 2 away. So how many do I have left? When you're counting them, you're not counting all of them. You're only counting the ones that don't have the X. So how many do I have left? You have 1 and 2. You have 2 left. So here's 0, 1, and 2. Here's 2. So we're going to put it over here. And then it says, I have 2 balls. Okay? All right, let's go to the next one. The next one says, I have 5 balls. Then my mom took away 2. How many balls do I have left? Remember, I already put the number that you have first. So it says you have 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then my mom took away 2. So we're going to grab the excess. Oops. And we're going to put it on the top so that we can see it of 2 of them. So 1 and 2. She took away 2. So how many do I have left? How many balls do I have left? 1, 2, and 3. I have 3 left. So here's number 3. I'm going to move it up here. And now it says I have 3 balls. Okay, so at first I had 5. Then my mom took away 2. And now I have 3 balls left. All right. So now let's talk about your homework. Your homework is going to be very similar to what we just did. For today's homework, we are continuing practicing doing subtraction word problems, just like we did yesterday and the day before. So today we're going to have 2 word problems. They're going to be subtraction word problems. Remember, subtraction means we're taking away. And up here, you have your word problem. And if you click here, you can push play and I will read it for you. Okay. Remember, for the subtraction, for the addition, you had to put the pictures up here. But for the subtractions, I already put down the amount of items that you had at the beginning. And all you're going to do is put the excess on the stuff you take away, just like I did in the activity. And once you take away some of the items, you're going to count whatever's left over. And then you're going to choose the number down here and you're going to move it up here. So I'm going to read this one. It says, I have 5 balls. Then my mom took away 3. How many balls do I have left? So here we have 5 in red because that's what the number we're going to start with. So first we had 5 balls. Remember, I already put them for you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then my mom took away 3. So you're going to take away 3. That's why it's left. I mean, it's red. So you're going to grab that X and you're going to X out 3 balls. And then you're going to count what's left over and you're going to choose the number from down here and put it here. Remember, with the X is a little bit tricky. Sometimes you have to put it up here so you can see it, because sometimes if you put it here, you can't really see it. So so put it a little bit up so you can still see it, okay? Or if it's easier just to take down the balls and then that you take away, then you can do that. Like 3, you can take away 3. Anyway, um, once you have your answer, you're going to put it right here. Okay. So that was the first word problem. So now let me read the second one real quick. Let me put this back. There we go. The second word problem or subtraction word problem says, I have 4 balls. Then my mom took away 3. How many balls do I have left? So it says here I have 4 balls and I already put the 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to take away 3. Okay, so you're going to use the X's or you're going to move 3 off the 5 frame, however you want to do it. And then you're going to put your answer right here. All right. Remember, we are learning about subtraction because it's a skill that we need for our everyday life. So, subtraction helps us know how much we have left over. So, how much money do I have left over after I buy a toy? Or how many pencils will I have left over if I give some to my friends? So that is why subtraction is very important. All right, I will see you here tomorrow where we are going to continue working with subtraction word problems. Bye bye.